Hello everyone, the second video in the Clockstar coding series is here. This time we'll explore the I/O block section. When a button is pressed or released, we aim to display the button's name and play a specific tone. You will rely on the I/O block section while doing anything with the buttons. You can find these blocks when button pressed and when button released. Start by dragging when button pressed block into the drawing area. The first button we'll program is the up button. Select up from the drop-down menu and change the display's color to black using this block from the display block section. Next, find the block that allows us to write on the display and position the word up at the coordinates x 30 and y 60 in white. As we learned in the previous video, we have to put the push frame block at the end while doing anything with the display. You can find that block in the display block section. We also want to play the tone when the button is pressed. Locate the play tone block in the I/O block section to achieve this. The first number in the block represents the tone's frequency and the second one how long the tone will play. Set the frequency and the duration to 500. Return to the I/O block section and find when button released block. Drop it onto the drawing area. When we release the button, we want the display to turn black. We do that by finding this block in the display block section. Remember to use the push frame button again. Repeat the process for the other buttons. You can either duplicate the previous blocks or redo the process. Upon pressing the down button, change the display's color to black and write down in white at the coordinates 30 and 60. Play the tone with a frequency of 1000 for 500 milliseconds. On release, clear the display. For the select button, follow the same steps. Black display with the select in white at the coordinates 30 and 60. Play the tone at 1500 for 500 milliseconds on press and turn the display black on release. Finally, for the back button, write back in white at the coordinates 30 and 60. Play the tone with a frequency of 2000 for 500 milliseconds upon pressing. Turn the display black when the button is released. Remember to include the scan buttons block within the loop forever block to ensure proper code execution. Add the time block to introduce a 20 milliseconds delay between each scanning. If your code looks like this, you're ready to click on the Run button. Start clicking the buttons we coded. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more examples.